bestowed me such enormous honor and confidence to steer the party in an interim basis until we are able to transit from the interim situation that we've been in pre- and post-election to an elected and popular base of party leaders and members. You do recall that we were in the rigorous process of renewing our leadership through the grassroots elections, and I do believe that I will engage all the organs of the party to ensure that we publish a program as to how we intend to conclude that process moving forward. Number two is to thank the rank and file of the party, Cecily Mbarire, who was there in today's meeting, the majority leaders of both houses, my brother, the treasurer, very able treasurer, Japheth, organizing secretary, Vincent Kawaya, whip of both houses of parliament, Honorable Senator Khalwale and Honorable Osoro, and others, our legal counsel, Honorable Mureu, who are all there this morning to witness and to agree that we needed, as a party, to make certain critical decisions to affect or to effect the smooth operations of the party. And I am humbled to have been given that responsibility to work with this enormously nice team. I call it a nice team because this team delivered the presidency. I don't believe this team is incapable of delivering a party that is befitting the party of the president. You know, this party is the party that is the sponsoring party of the president and the larger part of the Kenya Council government. And I do believe that we need to restore it with the honor and dignity that this party deserves and its membership. I'm asking the membership, including members of parliament and other elected leaders, to accord us the necessary support as we undertake this enormous task. And I'm looking at members of parliament playing a role beyond just the policy roles that they play, or for that matter legislative, to ensure that we have